So you have to walk along. So what the village?
And where's the rest of the family?
Agam where Padula take you. Hello, Lucky. Padula.
Hey, look, you have me here.
Yeah, do now. Altogether 5 families. Let's follow up at sister.
What happened to them? Why do they come here?
Bami ko tu hai ki thai la.
Mila biyom mana berapa belas?
And how long did they have to walk?
So tu hai thai ki ja pe nari la, pe ko la.
Wah, tiga ni tak.
7 days ya.
What happened? What did the Burmese do?
So peyo ma tu ja la hala.
Biar letale bertawa order di hebra kue order letale bertawa hakati berada tawa po. Lalu order berhat Allah.
Why did the Burmese army come there?
Nam nu ko peyo hai tholo tu tawa pula.
Awal le biar sedikit dirinya awal dah he mana boleh dah lupa tawa po he oleh berada sela order berhat Allah.
Did she carry the 2 kids all the way?
Na chọn na phu ki ga thobu la. Ya.
7 days.
La ni to ne ha chọn ja ne la. Her husband was killed by a SPDC shot.
In the village?
The war wa. Our country the war wa. Yeah.
Were there any problems on the way?
Tu ha te ka ta ko ta khe ud mi mya. Ha? Ta ko ta khe ud mi mya. Ah yeah. Local yeah, it's okay now. Yeah. Fever and cough, sick.
But you never know what it is.
Never know. Kati wa. No medicine at all. She doesn't know. Yeah. So keep it gala. This one, both of them sick. Hey. Ja, ja.
Wie ihr sehen könnt, sind gerade 5 Familien hier angekommen und ihr seht, wie krank die Kinder sind. Man hier am Fieber, man Husten, sind 7 Tage nonstop gelaufen, bis sie hier angekommen sind. Weil ihr Dorf von den burmesischen Soldaten eingenommen wurde. Wie kann man ein Dorf einnehmen, wo nur ganz normale Zivilisten wohnen? Ganz normale Bauern. Wieder 5 Familien mehr, die hier gestrandet sind.
And that's all they could bring.
Yeah, that's all.
Did they have to flee before? Is it the first time they have to flee their village or?
Kakai tu cipara ni atu kudu bela. Lo nya ma tu cipa bela ni lah cai. So many times in around the area yeah, they have done like this. Yeah. But this guy is the last come to the borderline. Now another 5 families, about 30 people. That's me, about 230 people already here at the moment here.